Haiti is in labor. This is her last pain, then she will be restored because Yahweh marry her and he will restore the promised land. Let's go over Jeremiah 30. Yah is speaking to Jeremiah the prophet about Judah and Israel. Jeremiah 30 verse 4. In verse 3, Yah promises that one day in the future, he will bring both Judah and Israel back to the land he had promised their forefathers. But their return will involve many distresses. How awful that day will be. Jeremiah 30 verse 7. It will be the time of Jacob's trouble. Jacob being a secondexodus for all the nation of Israel. Verse 5 describes Jacob's trouble as a time of great fear and trembling. Verse 6 describes it in terms of the pains of childbirth, indicating a time of agony. But there is hope for the people of Israel, for the Lord promises he will save them, even though this is the time of Jacob's distress. And even though in all history there has never been such a time of terror. Jeremiah 30-7. God will deliver his people. In Jeremiah 30-1011, Yah references the blessings that will come after the time of Jacob's trouble. I will surely save you out of a distant place. Your descendants from the land of Jacob will again have peace and security, and no one will make him afraid. I am with you and will save you, declares the Most High Yah. Remember that Israel is a nation and which country is the most hated and abused since the declare their independence, aka First Republic. So my people, Haiti is our promised land and we are not going to Africa. As part of the deliverance he provides from the time of Jacob's trouble, the Lord says he will destroy the nations who held Judah and Israel in captivity, and he will never again allow Jacob to be completely destroyed. The Lord also describes this as a time of discipline for his people. He says of Jacob, though I completely destroy all the nations among which I scatter you, I will not completely destroy you. I will discipline you, but only with justice.